Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class BCom Semester 6 Business Administration. Our today's topic is limitations of stock exchange. There are various limitations of stock exchange. It includes lack of professionalism, domination of financial institutions, poor liquidity, domination by big operators, less floating stocks. Last but not least includes speculative trading. Let us quickly have a brief look into each one. Lack of professionalism. It has been observed that majority of the stockbrokers in India especially, they are lacking the professionalism and professional approach. The reason behind that, they are not properly educated for a higher educational level, as well as they are lacking with the business skills. Sometimes some infrastructural facilities they are not having, which inhibits them to provide proper service to their clients. It also one of the reason that they are not able to counsel their clients properly, what they are expecting about the client. Domination of financial institutions. It is another limitation of stock exchange. The reason behind the domination of financial institution as one of the limitations, it includes that there are certain institutions, or you can say financial institutions, which includes UTI, Life Insurance Corporation and many other examples, who are big players in Indian stock market, investing a hefty amount in the stock exchange. They sometimes, the buying and selling, such institutions organizing in a lot of set, which includes the limitation. Another one is poor liquidity. Poor liquidity includes the Indian stock exchange because they are having, or you can say they are suffering from poor liquidity. A seller has to wait for disposing of his holdings for a long time. Until and unless they are not able to sell it, they cannot have a cash in hand. There is a huge backlog of pending deliveries too, because they don't have the money to even sometimes provide to their clients. So it is a poor liquidity. Another limitation includes domination by big operators. Big operators influence the sentiment of the stock exchange in India. Definitely everybody is aware about the very famous case study of Harshad Mehta, who created such a big issues, and the Bombay Stock Exchange include 3 to 4 operators for the call short. So definitely everybody aware about Harshad Mehta case, so no need to much focus on this point. Less floating stock, it is another limitation. Definitely, let's say there is a scarcity of floating stock in Indian stock exchange. The shares and debentures offered for sale are a small portion of total stocks. The UTI, we have gone the example of GIC and many other. And the last but not least includes speculative trading. The trading in stock exchange is mainly speculative in nature. The operators, they try to deliver or drive the benefits out of the short-term price fluctuations, and that is the main reason why genuine people who are investors in the stock exchange, they try to keep away from such markets. So this is a short quick revision of our class, which includes limitations of stock exchange: lack of professionalism, domination of financial institutions, poor liquidity, domination by big operators, less floating stock, speculative trading. If any question or any other query, you can send me on chiragsir.com@gmail.com, or you can log into my Facebook or YouTube or other social media, Instagram account. Everybody is having my account. So thank you very much, and best reading for all the students. I wish you have stay home and stay fit. These are the social media contacts of our college. You can go to the YouTube link, you can have the Facebook link or Instagram link. You can even have the query if any, or anybody would like to get admission for the next year in the first year or any other year for the BBA BCom, BSc and MCom admissions, feel free to call on 0278, that is the code of Bhavnagar. The number is 2569604, the KPS College. Best reading. Have a nice day, everybody.